it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because we have another She Talk video for you guys. I feel like I'm gonna make this like the She Talk corner. You know, it's very relaxed, it's very chill, like we're just getting into things, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna talk about everything vagina related. And I am super excited because today's video is actually sponsored by PhD Feminine Health. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. It's so taboo and like uncomfortable for people to come on social media and talk about vaginal odor, but like listen, it happens for numerous surrounding reasons, which we're going to get into in today's video. There are ways to deal with it, which we're also going to get into. And you know, I just want to be that girl. I want to be like your big sister or little sister or best friend or whatever, the person that you feel comfortable enough to be like, all right, Casey girl, I'm dealing with some things. What do I do to like, you know, help the issue? So that is what I'm here for. So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I do want to start off by saying the products that we're going to talk about today will be linked down below, and I also have a coupon code for you guys. It's going to be CaseyJoe20, but we'll get into all of that soon. So vaginal odor. We've all been there. We've all dealt with it. There can be a lot of different reasons. It can be exercise. It can be wearing clothes that are too tight. It can be intercourse. It can be a lot of different things that are causing vaginal odor. You know, no one knows your body better than you, right? So you'll definitely know when you're not feeling so fresh. The good thing is there are ways to help deal with that. Now, you know, here on this channel, we're all about holistic healing. And that is one reason why I really do love PhD Feminine Health. So first of all, is ran by women and is women owned. Okay, period. Girl power. We love to see it. But they're all about holistic feminine care. So what that means is not a bunch of like chemicals and things that you shouldn't be putting down there. If you guys have been following me for a long time on my channel, then you know that I'm all about trying to keep things as natural as possible, because I just feel like that's the best way to go, especially me who already has endometriosis. Like, I don't need no more problems, okay? I don't need no more issues. So I love to go the holistic route, which is one reason why I love PhD Feminine Health. And they are very accessible. You've probably seen them before in literally like every drugstore known to man. They're in CVS, Target, Walmart. You can get it at Amazon. As mentioned before, where are these vaginal odors coming from? They can come from intercourse. They can come from really tight or wet swimsuits. Let's say you take a trip to like a water park and everything, and obviously you got to do this drive home, you know, so sitting in a wet bathing suit for a long time can definitely do it. It can come from exercise, all of the sweat. I mean, there's a lot of things that can cause it. So it's completely normal if it's something that you're dealing with. So I have a bunch of products here that I am going to share with you guys that might help your situation. They definitely work for me, especially there's something I'm going to put a lot of emphasis on and I want to share with you guys, but I just want to run through them because these are some great products, whether you need something more long-term or something that's more of a instant satisfaction. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is the PhD Feminine Health Instant Vaginal Odor Rinse, and this is made with boric acid. Now, boric acid is a lifesaver, especially if you're dealing with vaginal odor. I've noticed really fast results whenever I incorporate anything with boric acid in my vaginal care routine, if you will. Now, I'm just going to read the description for you guys because I want to make sure you get 100% of the correct tea. But it says this product eliminates odor that comes from intercourse, exercise, tight pants, or wet swimsuits, like we just talked about. Used to rinse and get rid of vaginal odor when you want instant vaginal freshness in general, or for instant freshness before intimacy. So hypothetically speaking, if you are someone that may be dealing with some type of odor and you know it's about to be sneakling time, you know you're about to meet up with your boo or whatever the case may be, and you need something that's going to work right away, then this is something that is going to be great for you. Their products are recommended by doctors, so it is 100% trusted. Now, if you guys were curious of how to do it, this is what the rinse looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this on top, and then you're just going to squeeze and do the rinse. Now, you're probably wondering, well, Casey, isn't douching bad? This is not douching. Douching tends to have like a lot of perfume in it and some unnecessary stuff that is not supposed to be in your vagina. This is literally just purified water and boric acid, completely safe. And I love the fact that it's more for like an instant freshness. Like, it's like, okay, girl, let's do this now. We got to get this done right away. So I highly recommend this. Now I'm going to move on to the product that I tend to use. This one right here is the suppositories. Now, if you've been around for a while, you know I talk about suppositories all the time. I swear by suppositories. I share information about suppositories with my mom, with my friends, with pretty much anyone, because this is something that I was put onto like only a couple months ago, and it literally changed my life. Like, it changed my, just changed my everything. It made my credit score go up. It made my edges grow. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's, I'm totally kidding, but it did a lot of great things. So with suppositories, it is boric acid, so similar to the rinse, but this one is more, it's not as instant as the rinse is. So this one, you want to put the suppository in your vagina at night, because what's going to happen is it's going to begin to like dissolve in a sense. So I would highly recommend wearing some type of panty liner or pad when you go to sleep, because girl, these suppositories are a holistic solution for vaginal odor and are typically used overnight, as they take 4 to 12 hours to dissolve. Each suppository contains the recommended amount of 600 milligrams of boric acid. So literally, guys, all this is boric acid. There's nothing else crazy in here. You can totally trust it. Like the directions say, you're gonna put it in your vagina and it's going to dissolve after like 4 to 12 hours. Now, they also have these like little applicators, so that way you can make sure you can get it as far up as possible. Personally, for me, I just use my hands. I make sure, you know, I wash my hands really good, and I just place it up and push it in, and then I am good to go. I've noticed some amazing results when implementing suppositories into my vaginal routine. It really does help with vaginal odor. I swear by this. I feel like every woman in the world should own boric acid suppositories. Like, it needs to be in your medicine cabinet. It needs to be there like today. Like, go ahead and click the link and get this, because it is going to help tremendously. And I feel like not a lot of people talk about it, because like I said, me being so into vaginal care and I only heard about it a couple of months ago is like mind-blowing. So highly recommend this. The next product we have here is the Holistic Menstrual Support. This Holistic Menstrual Support is a holistic option for menstrual and pelvic discomfort during your period. You know, us endometriosis girls need all the support we can get. Sorry, I got really excited. It supports the reduction of mood swings and low energy. It contains adaptogenic herbs that supports the body's ability to accommodate varying physical and emotional stresses. Okay, so if I'm being completely transparent here on this channel, I am the moodiest person on my period. Like, I cry, I'm cranky, I don't want to talk to nobody. I'm super fatigued. I get exhausted, right? So I can't do anything. Like, I always, if you see me disappear from YouTube for a week, it's typically because I can't film, I can't edit, I can't do anything. I have the worst back pains, leg pains, like I go through it. A lot of it has to do with the fact that I have endometriosis, but it's just bad. It's just bad. And so that's where this comes into play. Now, I actually recently started birth control, so I haven't been able to really experiment with this, because I don't know where my period is. She like, girl, I'm on vacation. So I'm just like, all right, sis, you know, call me when you coming back. So I haven't been able to experiment with this as of yet, but I'm really excited to try it, because it says that it helps the reduction of menstrual discomfort, backache, irritability, bloating, swelling. And I feel like that's really important, because, you know, just because our period comes, unfortunately, life doesn't stop for us. We still have to get up and go to work, or be mothers for some of us, go to school, whatever it is that we have to do. And it's unfortunate that, you know, being on our menstrual cycle can stop us from getting things done that we need to get done. So to have something like this that's going to help, says it's safe and non-toxic, very important, I think is awesome. And I'm actually really excited to finally try this when my period does decide to show up. And the last product I have to show you guys from PhD Feminine Health is the Holistic Feminine Deodorant Spray. This is in the cucumber scent. So the deodorant spray is made with amyl, I believe is how you pronounce it, a remarkable compound made up of natural peptide and amino acid derivatives that uniquely and safely neutralizes odor. You can use this product anytime you want to quickly freshen up and neutralize odor. So this is perfect for, you know, your spend a night bag. This is perfect for, once again, one of them sneaky link moments, you know, when you want to go ahead and just freshen up a bit. So I think this is absolutely great to just keep on you. It's cucumber scented. I'm going to go ahead and spray it. I know my vagina is not out, but you know, we're just going to spray it anyway. The cucumber scent smells so good, but it's not crazy. It's not super overbearing. This also has the boric acid in it, which is going to help with the vaginal odor, okay? So like I said, this is not just like a perfume for your vagina where it's just going to completely mask the smell, but it is going to help it as well. And that is all the products that I have to show you guys from PhD Feminine Health. I just want to reiterate that vaginal odor is normal. It happens to all of us, and there are safe and holistic ways to help deal with it. So I definitely want to say check out PhD Feminine Health. Like I said before, they're literally located everywhere. You can find them at Kroger's and Walmart and Target and CVS, and there's so many places that you can get your hands on it. Of course, I have the coupon code down below as well as the link if you want to go ahead and pick up the things that you need right away. Remember, the coupon code is CaseyJo20. I'm a huge advocate for these products. They have helped me tremendously, and I hope that they help you guys too. So if you have any questions, you guys already know what to do. Leave them down in the comments. I know that this can be a little bit more intimate topic, so feel free to DM me on Instagram if you don't want to, you know, put your business out there on YouTube. I totally get it. Make sure you guys follow PhD Feminine Health as well on their social media. It will be in the description box as well. And thank you, PhD Feminine Health, for sponsoring this video and being supportive of my platform. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that on your way out, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.